We have a problem. For almost 300 years, these bricks have been beaten to death. I could simply fill the voids with my lime and sand mortar, but I think I can do better. Fortunately, I think an ancient Roman engineer has a solution. And some things you just learn along the way. I'll use some of my white sand, but also some of my orange sand. Alright, she's still curing, so it's still soft. I'm happy with the texture. I feel like it's missing something though. I feel like it could be a little bit darker. Let's go see what we can come up with. We found that pretty quick, straight out of the 1870s. Now I need to learn how to make bone black. So, where do I find all this information? Right here. I usually limit my search to between 1800 and 1880. That's generally all I need. You can find almost any information you need for historic restoration right here. And this is where I met Vitruvius. Ah! Looks like that tin can just couldn't take it. Alright, so I need to find more bone apparently. What's this I see? Oh, I'm such an evil monster. Ah! Ha 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 ha! It's all mine. Say goodbye. It's starting to dry out a little bit, and I can start to see it's coming in as kind of a salmon color. That doesn't look very black to me. We'll do a test here, 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 and here. I'll add a touch of charcoal dust just to see what happens. Some bricks are going to need 2 or 3 coats, so I'll at least put the first coat in there. Alright, that's definitely not adhering, so we need to do something else here. Well, that's drying way too fast. If it dries too fast, it's just going to crack and fall out. We just have to see how she looks tomorrow morning. Alright, let's go see how she looks this morning. Well, my plastic is still there. Now for the unveiling. You definitely see the difference. It's not an exact match. What this could really use is some grime. What about this one? This one doesn't look too bad. You know, compared to what was here, a big old glob of Portland cement like this, I'd say this is a win. Let's try to darken it up a bit. I could take a piece of charcoal and just rub it directly on there. That'd be a bit much. So we're gonna try something different. You can still see it, but it's not quite as clear. I'm happy with that for now. But to get a true idea of how this is gonna look, it's gonna need to cure for several days. But regardless of the outcome, it's gonna look better than this. Oh, I forgot about that one. That one looks okay too. Obviously, I can't continue this work until I master the art of making bone black. If you would like to follow my adventures and misadventures in historic restoration, feel free to sign up for our weekly newsletter.